Ben, can you help me read this map? I'm trying to find the art museum.
Sure, Clara. Let me take a look. Okay, you are here at Central Park. The art museum is over here, on the other side of the river.
I see it. So how do I get there?
First, go straight on Main Street until you reach the second intersection.
Got it. That's 2 blocks from here?
Exactly. Then, turn left onto River Avenue and cross the bridge.
Okay, so go straight, then left on River Avenue and cross the bridge.
Yes, after you cross the bridge, walk past the library. The art museum is next to the library, on the right side.
That doesn't sound too hard. About how long will it take?
Maybe 15 minutes on foot or 5 minutes by bike.
Not bad. And if I get lost?
Just look for the green signs along the road. They point to all the tourist places.
Oh, that's helpful. I always get confused with maps. I can never tell which way is north.
Don't worry. Look at the map's compass rose. The top of the map is usually north.
Ah, good tip. What if I want to use the bus?
There's a bus stop near the park entrance. Take bus number 3, and it stops right in front of the art museum.
That sounds even easier. Do you use maps often?
I use Google Maps on my phone most of the time, but it's always good to know how to read a paper map too.
Yes, especially when traveling. Not everywhere has good phone signal.
True. And if you ever need help, you can ask someone, "Can you show me on the map?" Or, "Which way is this place?"
Those are good phrases. Thanks so much, Ben. I feel ready now.
Anytime, Clara. Let me know how it goes. Enjoy the museum.
I will. And next time, I'll give you the direction.